Luka 5PF Premium Illusion Green and Infrared 23 pushes Luka Dončić's signature line into a new era with its bold design and upgraded performance features. Built for players who rely on sharp steps and quick weight transfers, this model enhances speed with a breathable mesh upper and reinforced lace area for added stability. Its illusion green finish delivers eye-catching appeal, while subtle shadows and layered materials create depth from every angle. The infrared 23-tone logo and vivid red outsole add high contrast energy, supported by a wavy traction pattern for powerful grip on the court. A thick, smoothly curved midsole fuels soft propulsion, making each movement feel responsive and controlled. Translucent side supports reveal internal structure, giving the shoe a modern, futuristic edge. Designed for both performance and visual impact, the Luka 5PF Premium blends lightness, flexibility, and precise craftsmanship, perfect for players and sneaker fans looking for standout style and next-level function.